Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 30. This is Section 1.6, Problem 30. It says a standard deck of cards has 52 cards. At most casinos, the blackjack table uses a stack of 7 decks. How many cards are in the stack? So you have 52 cards in each deck times the 7 decks that are in the stack altogether. Now this is a little bit too big for me to multiply in its horizontal format, so I'll write it vertically, and I feel that makes it a little bit easier, unless you have a calculator or you're super good at multiplying. So I'll write it 52 on the top, then times 7 underneath. And now 7 times 2 is 14, so I put the 4 from the 14 under the column where I'm multiplying. Take the 1 from the 14, carry it to the top of the next column, and then I will multiply 7 times 5 and add the 1 that I carried. 7 times 5 is 35, then 35 plus the 1 that I carried is 36. So the answer is 364.